The meaning of life is a question that has been pondered by philosophers, theologians, scientists, and many others throughout history. There is no single, universally accepted answer to this question, as the meaning of life can be interpreted differently by different people. Some people believe that the meaning of life is to find happiness and fulfillment. Others believe that the purpose of life is to serve a higher power or to fulfill a specific destiny. Some argue that the meaning of life is to make the world a better place, while others believe that the meaning of life is to simply enjoy the experience of being alive. There are also those who argue that there is no inherent meaning to life, and that individuals must create their own purpose and meaning through their actions and experiences. In my opinion, the true meaning of life is subjective and depends on the individual's belief, culture, and personal experience. For many people, it is a combination of spirituality, relationships, personal growth, and making a positive impact on the world. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified of our new uploads. We appreciate your support and we'll see you in the next video.